So how's it going for you over there, Dom?
Slow.
Slow?
Yeah.
You've got nothing?
Nothing so far.
Not even a nibble?
Nothing that the camera shows.
No.
No proof of anything.
No.
I got one.
Yeah,
But
what
no
happened
proof
on
of
that
anything.
one?
No proof.
No
No, it was
proof.
the first cast, so I mean, I didn't think we would be.
And that's right, because you had the first cast, good cast, got a fish right away. What did you get?
It was bass.
Bass.
Little bass.
And we didn't actually bother to turn on the camera because we figured,
We'll catch more.
we'll catch more.
Or you just kind of want to be like, let's get a cast or two in here, let's see how it goes.
Yeah. And then
Land a fish right away.
yeah, nothing. I've gotten nothing, but then again, I haven't done much fishing either, so I don't know if that means anything or not. Maybe, probably not. So the big fisherman here, not to take anything away from Dom,
Ouch.
but the big fisherman here is Durr. And Durr, I'm just curious, where's the best place to fish?
Other than Alaska,
Yeah.
Montana, if you're into, depending on what you're trying to fish for. Like, I fly fish more than I do anything else, and I love Montana. Lived there for 2 years. It's perfect. I've fly fished Oregon, Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Alaska, pretty much all over.
So all over the place. And do you have a favorite spot?
Lake X.
Lake at nice. Fisherman never says. Can you tell us which state?
Montana. I mean,
Okay.
I love fly fishing Montana.
Lake X in Montana.
Ooh, Don's got a northern. Let's see if we get that camera turned around. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, attaboy. Get him up in that boat.
Oh, you bastard.
Oh no. Dom. Look at that. Did he cut you off?
Yeah.
Oh, northern have sharp teeth.
Yeah. You told me, as soon as you handed me this rod, you're like, whoever's got this line is going to have a bad day. Case in point right there. God.
Well, that's what happens when I don't.
Grab a net
Yeah. Well, I don't know where the net is.
under my bag.
Oh, well, that's good. Anyways, well, we saw it at least. Not a horrible day.
I should have just left it in the water and grabbed it.
Yeah, you did everything right. Just didn't have a net. We were too busy with cameras.
Get another hook there.
Yeah,
They're
in the bag down there.
Took everything from me.
I'm not gonna tie it for
You're
you.
fishing bankrupt now. So, well, that changed things a little bit.
Yeah, I like the spot.
Changed things a little
That
bit.
was a decent sized one.
It was.
20 inch.
So,
What was I just saying about not having video evidence of putting anything in the boat?
There it is.
we got
Oh, we never
something.
really put it in the boat either.
Hey, where'd you say your hooks
Ooh.
were?
They're like under the captain's chair.
So, Montana.
Yeah, Montana, Idaho. Actually, I do have a favorite place. It's in Idaho.
Better than Montana.
Yeah, I mean, we crushed it.
Ooh,
crushed
nice.
it there.
What were you fishing for there?
Oh, just brook trout, rainbow trout,
Okay.
brown trout.
Okay.
My favorite place of all time to fish is Alaska, though, for big fish.
Okay.
Salmon, halibut, king salmon. Actually, I have a pretty sweet video of king salmon. My buddy caught a 50-pounder.
Oh my gosh.
This thing is huge. It was massive.
You know, because I haven't fished a ton. I mean, what's kind of the average size for something like that? Is that on the big side? And
That's very
average?
Average, yeah. I mean, average is probably like, I don't know. I caught one that was like 20 pounds, but like 20. He said that was a small one, so like 20 to 30 pounds, probably around there. 50 is pretty big. Like I don't know. Like I think there's some cases of like 70 pounders, but I could be wrong.
Okay.
A big fish to catch that's really actually fun is halibut.
Yeah.
I have a bunch of videos of that too. You know what? Instead of just talking about it, let's roll a clip.
Bye.